Today I'm going to show you my tanning routine. I've just showered and scrubbed my body with my exfoliating mitt and body scrub, and now I'm using the Sunescape Instant Self-Tanning Mousse. I always use a mitt to apply the tan to avoid getting awful marks on my hands. I pat the lotion on and blend it in down one side of my body, then I'll swap hands with the mitt and blend on the other side. I make sure I get down the backs of my arms and lift my arms up to make sure I get underneath them as well. You need to get your arms and your legs from every angle. A great tip is to put some moisturiser on your hands, knees, elbows and feet and other areas that usually grab tan and you are prone to streaky bits. This will make sure your tan goes on evenly. I like to apply my tan to my face with my mitt and then blend it in with a dry beauty blender. This goes on flawlessly and there's never any marks or streaks around my hairline. 4 hours later, I have a shower and here is the result. I think it's beautiful, natural, a great colour and no smell. And no streaks either. Sunescape Instant Tanning Mousse.